wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me?
What's up, sunshines? It's Chevanie, aka SimplyChevy, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm gonna be doing a full face using Fenty beauty products. I've been wanting to do this video for so long. Rihanna is always dropping something new, and I'm just like, okay, I have to get it and I have to use it for this video. Like, I don't want to leave anything out. So the only three products I'm not gonna have in this video are the fly liners, and I'm not going to have the powder. So I'll let you guys know everything I think about it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm gonna start off with doing my eyebrows, and I actually have really thick eyebrows, if you guys can see right here. Like, literally nothing is in my eyebrows. It's just nothing but eyebrows here, like, ta-da. I'm not gonna lie, when I do my eyebrows, it looks super crazy just for the fact that they look extremely thick. Well, because my eyebrows are extremely thick. So just don't judge me when I'm doing my eyebrows. And I'm gonna be taking the color is soft black. No, don't do this to me now. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Well, I have no more brow pencil to do this tutorial. Like, I'm not sure how that happened, but nothing's coming out. Yep, nothing. It's at the end of its life. My Fenty eyebrow pencil is officially done, and I'm really sad about it. Like, if you guys can see that, nothing. Like, there's nothing at all. So more of the story is that I really like this eyebrow pencil. Ran out way too quick. So I'm gonna need another one. Like, I'm so sad, guys. You know, I barely had anything in my pencil, but it looks pretty good right now. So I'm gonna fill in the rest of my eyebrows with some random eyebrow pencil that I can find in my house. Eyebrows are done, and I know they look crazy right now, like they look super thick, but this is what happens with my eyebrows when I do them. And so I always have to like go back and clean it up with concealer, because I still want my eyebrows to have like a very sharp look. So that's why they look very crazy right now. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use the Fenty concealer. This is in the color 360. Oh, another thing that broke is my Fenty primer, which freaking sucks. I think it actually just like fell, and then the pump just stopped working. So yeah, I won't be using the Fenty primer today. Just want to let you guys know that. I didn't finish my eyebrows. I'm gonna clean it up at the top as well, but I'm gonna be using foundation in 385. And this is the Pro Filter foundation, which is supposed to be very hydrating for your skin. I just want to show you guys the difference between when I have the foundation on and without. gonna take my concealer back, and this is in the shade 360, and I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes, and I'm going to also put some concealer on my nose and just anywhere that needs some concealing and brightening. I'm just going to use the matchstick, and this is in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to contour. And I'm also going to be using my powder, which is the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. So I have the shade Cinnamon in the matchstick, and I'm gonna use this as a blush. So I'm gonna be using the Fenty bronzer, and this is in the shade Caramel Cutie. I also like to use a beauty blender near my eye area just to like help blend out. So I have like two Fenty highlighters that I really like. This is the More Honey and Afternoon Snack. But I'm thinking about using Trophy Wife because I'm obsessed with Trophy Wife. Like, I can wear this all day, any day. So I'm just gonna like build up on the highlighter. And this highlighter is great if you want something that's a little bit more subtle, but for me, I like going all out when it comes to my makeup looks. I like to be extra, so I'm gonna be using Trophy Wife, and I'm just gonna layer it on top of it. So this is Trophy Wife. Ooh. I did not mean to blind you guys like that. Like, I think I might have OD'd with the highlighter by accident. Okay. Honestly guys, I don't put this much highlighter on, but today, we're about to be extra. We're about to be real extra today, because this is Fenty, so why not? No, because I'm looking real snatched right now, and I didn't even finish yet. So so now I'm about to use this same brush, and I'm actually gonna like highlight my brow bone just a little bit, not to the point where you see my eyebrow hairs. Next, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty. This is the matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Mademoiselle. So I have the Fenty lip gloss set. I'm so mad that I didn't get the set that has the Trophy Wife, because I love Trophy Wife. Like, I'm obsessed with it. This is basically how this set is. This is basically how this set looks. Voila. Except it's just missing one. Like, they're all just so bomb. This one is definitely a great lip gloss if you just want like a nice brown look. I'm gonna show you this color. And then this is the chocolatey one. It's a little bit pink, which I really like. My lips looking good right now. Like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Because I know I see this. So this is the final look, and I'm honestly obsessed with Fenty Beauty. The first foundation that I've ever gotten actually liked was Fenty Beauty. The reason why is because every time I'd find a foundation, it was always either too yellow or too red for my skin tone. Most of the foundations were either also too light for me or too dark. Every time I'm doing modeling, it's so hard for people to match me. So that's one thing I really appreciate about Fenty Beauty, because she made so many foundations, and it's I feel like a lot of people, at least people of color, can find a shade that actually matches them and works for them. So I'm really proud. Matte foundation was a little bit too light for me, and at first I didn't notice it because I'm okay, you know what, it's gonna oxidize since people are told me. And this was actually in the shade 360, but this was always a little bit too light for me. So I was really happy when she came out with the hydrating foundation, especially because if you have really dry skin, I love that the Pro Filter actually hydrates your skin a little bit. Her lip glosses are bomb. I'm obsessed with her lip glosses, and that's the one brand that I was you know what, I'm actually about to invest in. That's it for this look. Oh, and Trophy Wife, my favorite highlighter ever, period. You can't tell me anything. He's asking me what highlighter is that, you know, because it looks so bomb. And I usually like to keep my makeup subtle, but this is the one thing that I sometimes add to my makeup just to give it that extra pop. So when people look at me, it's just whoa, you know. So it looks really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Mwah. I'll see you guys next time. Comment down below what video you guys would like me to do next, and if there's any brands that you would like me to do a full face for. So yeah guys, you know, I'm about to take mad pictures since I'm not going outside today. My highlighter to my neck area, because you can't just be glowing one area, okay? You gotta glow everywhere, hunty. All right, not everywhere because you don't want to break out, but special occasions. That's all you need. If you don't have the body lava, just throw some highlighter and that's it. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and later guys. I'll see you guys.